Okay, so on this sheet pretty much explains the windings of the transformer. I'm using tube cells instead of a flat plate. My inductor is slightly less. I have 1 Henry rather than 2 Henrys. I have 2 setups, one with the optocoupler setup, driving it on the high side, as well as another portion driving it on the low side like this with a MOSFET IRFP. I think that's a 460 on this one. That's not what I'm using, a 250, but either will work. Bifilar type setup. So I have both options. Right now I'm going to run this orientation with 600 winds on the primary and 0 on the secondary. That seems to be the best setup. 120 hertz on the gate, 121 on the main frequency because it's coming from the mains. The mains transformer, same with this one, mains transformer after an isolation transformer. So we'll start it up. That's just one cell running right now. So this is on the electron extraction. I just have a larger tube in back. Can't really see it anymore. Sticking halfway up out of the water, and 4 shorter ones, only 1 running right now. So this meter is hooked up to the taller tube, which was going to be used for electron extraction. Right now I just have this meter hooked up to it to see the what the voltage would be on that tube. Voltage is about 65 volts going in, about 1 amp peaks. Here's our scope shots. Hopefully this comes up clean. So about 1.7, 1.8 kilovolts it bounces around. So this portion works pretty good. When I use the electron extraction, I have not been able to actually extract with it yet. I'm not sure how long this needs to actually have to run before you're able to get anything. What I have noticed is when you drive the cell with amperage, the bubbles seem to be larger, make it to the surface and burst out. The higher the voltage you drive the cell with, the smaller the bubbles seem to be and they stay in the solution. So the next step is how to get those bubbles to stay in there and how to get the electron extraction to work. You can see the voltage is slowly climbing up, but it never really gets very high. I can't get it much beyond 1.5 volts DC, and that's after a couple minutes of running. I'm not sure if this needs to run for a long time, but it didn't seem to on other people's videos. So this is what I'm working on now.
family team from Secure Supplies. We have preserved and rebuilt green technologies actively around the world now for over 18 years. The water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission. Click the subscribe button now to join our technology releases and updates every Monday. And consider buying a ticket to the show and pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon Tech Training. Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. Details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, a supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power and gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description to book a discussion.